Welcome to my next video. Hey guys, Modest Means here, high atop the adobe, and I had quite an interesting experience this afternoon working on the swamp cooler. I looked up to my left-hand side, perched on a halfway dead pine tree that we have in our front yard, was what I believe is a Roadrunner. Now, some of us are a little slow on the uptake, but I've been hearing this cawing my entire life and never realized that this is from the Roadrunner. So I got a little shot of them, and we're a little windy here, so camera shake, sorry guys. But anyway, beautiful, large Roadrunner, high atop the pine tree in our front yard. And it only took me 57 years to figure out that that sound was from that bird. So hope you enjoy it. Modest Means, and like and subscribe and all that happy stuff, and Lord's blessings. Thanks for watching. I sure hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. The video was alright, you know, city setting and a little background noise. I think the telephone was ringing in part of it, but after filming that, I decided to go in and look at the computer, get a few pointers, well, not pointers, but information, that's it, on the Roadrunner. For instance, they have been clocked at 20 miles per hour running. I have been fortunate enough to see them flying. They fly real low to the ground, soaring kind of. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. Fly across the street. I've seen them fly across a 4-lane highway before with a little running start from a hill. What else? Omnivores. They eat fruit from prickly pear and insects and snakes, small birds. They said that they are a very optimistic eater. I thought that was funny in Wikipedia. And what other facts? And let's see, it was March 16th of 1949 that New Mexico adopted the Roadrunner as the state bird. I thought that was very interesting as well. And the lifespan 7 to 8 years, if I haven't already mentioned that. So anyway, pretty fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. And just thought I'd wrap it up with a little bit of information. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good day.